Welcome everyone again to our channel. Today we're going to be making some blueberry banana bread. So let's get these ingredients and get going. Be sure to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit before we begin. We're going to need 3 ripe bananas, half a cup of blueberry, quarter cup of sugar. I'm using brown sugar here, about a half a cup of oat milk, 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of rolled oats, a half a cup of coconut oil. You need quarter teaspoon of salt or half a teaspoon if you want to add some more. We have half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to be using a little bit of almond too, just a small portion. So let's get going. Peel our bananas and break them up into a container, and then we're going to be using our masher to just mash them like this to make sure it doesn't have to be real smooth. So you just want to mash them like this. So now I'm going to be adding all the other ingredients except the flour. We'll leave the dry ingredients until the end. There, I just added a little bit of almond. I'm going to add my blueberries, my sugar, my milk, and the coconut oil, and the vanilla. And once we get those in, then we're just going to combine them together like this, because since this recipe doesn't have any eggs, just whisk them together like this. Now we'll add our oatmeal. And this is the rolled oats I'm adding here, so it can absorb some of the moisture before we bake. And then we're going to strain our dry ingredients in. So first I'm adding my flour, then I add my salt, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon powder, and then you just sieve it in like this. Then we're going to fold it in. If it needs more flour, I'll just add a little bit more flour, but let's mix it in and see if we need to add any more flour or any liquid. Notice the consistency here. I think maybe I'll just add a third more cup of flour. Now we're just going to fold in that extra flour. See the banana and the blueberries still showing up here. So now we're going to pour it in our lined baking tin. I use some paper and Once it's out, this is about 1 hour and 5 minutes. Then I'm just basting some coconut oil on top to give it this nice moist look. Also use butter if you so choose. Just melt your butter and glaze the top. But for this recipe I will stay away from dairy and from the egg. So there you see I'm cutting my blueberry banana bread, and then you'll see that complete picture. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, follow, turn on that notification so that you do not miss any of our videos, because we truly appreciate you. And if it's your first time here, we welcome you and we thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.